Let's start it with the grammar topic, parts of speech. In that particular part of the kind of adjective we have started. A word used with a noun to describe or point out a person, animal, place, or thing which is noun name or tells a number or quantity is called adjective. A word is used for to describe person, animal, place, thing, and noun names, numbers, quantity is called adjective. Adjective always adds something to means of a noun. A good boy, a black crow. So here is boy and cow. That became the noun, and so the word good is described about that both noun good and black. Another definition: a word is describe point or person, place, animal, things which noun name tell a number quantity is called adjective. So there are some kinds of adjective here: adjective of quality or descriptive adjective, adjective of quantity, adjective of number and numerical adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, emphasize adjective, exclamatory adjective, distributive adjective, possessive adjective, proper adjective. In that particular whole kinds of adjectives, we take some of them. Adjective of quality. Before starting that, there are some example. Shita is a clever girl. Girl of what kind? The answer is clever. I don't like that boy. Which boy? That boy. That became the adjective. He gave me 5 mangoes. How many mangoes? There is a little time for preparation. How much time? So, there are some questions you will ask: what kind, which boy, how many, how much. That question you give the adjective from the sentence. So now let us start with adjective of quality. Describe the adjective. Show the kind of quality person, thing, or the noun name. Such adjectives supply or answer the question of what kind. Mumbai is crowded city. What kind of Mumbai city is? The answer is crowd. What kind the lotus flower is? Answer is beautiful. So it is very easier to find out the adjective with the help of that question. Already I told you the some questions: what kind, which, how many, how much. That question asked to the sentence, you will get the adjective. In above sentence, crowd and beautiful, brave are the adjective of quality. तर एखाद्या व्यक्तीबद्दल, जागाबद्दल the क्वालिटी सांगितली जाते त्याला आपण क्वालिटी म्हणतो. ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वांटिटी. क्वांटिटी इज has a show indicate the amount of things involved. Answer the question: how much? There is adequate water in the jar. How much water in the jar? The adequate. She ate the whole watermelon. How much she ate the watermelon whole? She finished half the work himself. How much she finished the work himself? The answer is half. So adjective of quality, you will get the answer with the question with how much. That is very easier one to find out the answer. Adjective of quantity. So adjective of number, numerical adjective, show how many person, things are involved or in what order the person or things stand. Such adjective shows the definite and indefinite number of person or things indicate the answer the question how many in what order. So numbers, the many person and things involved in order such persons and things. That shows the adjective of number. I have 2 sisters. How many sister you have? The answer is 2. Seema stood first, that became definite. So, in what order Seema stood? First, that's kind of the some questions you will ask. Most boys like to play football indefinite. How many boys like to play football? The answer is most. All the boys took their turn. Indefinite number, and indefinite numbers you will ask the question in how many the boys took their turns. All boys took their turns. That is the answer of that particular adjective of number. There are some examples I have. The hand has 5 fingers. How many fingers the hand has? The 5. So that is the question. Adjective of number you will be find out with the help of how many. Another one is demonstrative adjective. To demonstrate, to show, that is called demonstrative adjective. Point out which person or thing is involved. This is my house. That is the girl is very lazy. I dislike such behavior. Which person or thing involves. This is the adjective of demonstrative. Demonstrative means to show that. Demonstrative questions. The answer. Demonstrative adjective answer the question is which. Which is my house? This is. Which girl is very lazy? That. And that's kind of some examples I have. This boy is stronger than Hari. Which boy is stronger than Hari? This. These mangoes are sour. Which mangoes are sour? Answer is these. I hate such thing. Which things you hate? Such things. That is the particular question with the help of which you can answer the adjective of demonstrative. Interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective used with a noun as the question. Interrogative adjective just ask for the questions. Interrogative pronouns what, whose, which. What answer did you give? So here that is what is as interrogative adjective. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आज आपण इथं ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वालिटी एखाद्या वस्तूची शहराची प्लेसची क्वालिटी बघितली तसंच ॲडजेक्टिव्ह क्वांटिटी किती प्रमाणात ते सुद्धा बघितलं. ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ नंबर संख्या तर ह्या सगळ्या बघितल्यात. डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह तर डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह एखादी गोष्ट दाखवण्यासाठी वापरले जाते पण ते दाखवण्यासाठी आपल्याला विच हे पर्टिक्युलर इंट्रोगेटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह वापरावं लागतं क्वेश्चनसाठी. तसंच डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह बघितलं. इंट्रोगेटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. सो इंट्रोगेटिव्ह ॲडजेक्टिव्ह यू कॅन बी आस्क with the help of particular noun pronoun. What answer did you give? Whose house is that? Which book do you like? So here who, what, which, that's are the interrogative adjective. So emphasizing adjectives use more important stress and emphasize. The on and very are used for the purpose. एखाद्या गोष्टीवरती आपल्याला इम्पॉर्टन्स स्ट्रेस आणि एम्फसाइज करायचं असेल तेव्हा आपल्याला एम्फसाइजिंग ॲडजेक्टिव्ह बघायचं असतं वापरायचं असतं. तर बघूयात. दिस इज ओन पेंटिंग. सो हिअर इज एम्फसाइजिंग ऑन ओन with that particular painting. She saw it was her own eyes, so that became the own. This is the very boy I was talking about. So that is the way you can find out the emphasizing adjective with the help of important stress and emphasize. The word own and very are mainly used in emphasizing adjective. Exclamatory adjective. Exclamatory adjectives to some exaggerate the word what is used and how also there. तर एखाद्या वेळेस आपल्याला एखादी सरप्रायझिंग थिंग, दुःखदायक गोष्ट, आनंद व्यक्त करण्यासाठी आपल्याला ते वर्ड्स वापरायचे असतात. व्हॉट अ ब्युटिफुल डे. सो द डे हॅज टू बी डिस्क्राईब विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दॅट वर्ड. व्हॉट इज करेज. व्हॉट इज अन आयडल. So it is very easier to find out the exclamatory adjective. Distributive adjective to point each one of a number. Distributive means to distribute the things. विभागणे. Each girl took her turn. The turn will be after one by one. Every word she uttered was true, and whatever she spoke, that has become correct. Neither of these mangoes is ripe, means from that became neither be particular ripe. Either pen will do. Every word of its false. Each boy must take his turn. Neither accusation is true. Either side is narrow lane. So that's are the some distributive numbers of distributive adjectives we discuss here. So all students, formation of adjective very important. With the help of that adjective, you will easily understand the adjective. Adjectives are generally derived from the nouns by adding al, ous, iv, e, ate, ful, itc, able, ly, ary, ory, ent, ant, as the case may be. Study an example providing such illustrating different types of adjective formations. Adding al, agriculture. The word agriculture has to be removed that e and added al. So make the adjective accident, accidental, emotion, emotional, music, musical, occasion, occasional, ottoman, ottomanal, culture, cultural, environment, environmental, margin, marginal, nation, national, person, personal. So by adding al make the adjective. You can study that very well. So parts of speech is very important and very difficult. So while identify the words, whether that is noun, verb, adjective or pronoun or listening. Adding ous. तर ओएस जोडून नवीन शब्द जो तयार होतो तर त्यालाच आपण ॲडजेक्टिव्ह म्हणत असतो. सो हिअर ॲडव्हान्टेज, ॲडव्हेंचरस, कलॅमिटी, कलॅमिटियस, करेज, करेजियस, जॉय, जॉयस, रिगर, रिगरस, सस्पिशियस, सस्पिशियस, क्युरियोसिटी, क्युरियस, सिव्हिलरी, सिव्हिलरस, डिझायर, डिझायरियस, pity, piteous, ridicule, ridiculous, vigorous. So adding al, ous. So this way we have to be adding iva, attract, attractive, create, creative. You can write down all these things by adding ate. Accuracy, accurate means. So here a double c u r a. So that word has removed and added ate, accurate. Passion, passionate, by adding ful, beauty, beautiful, fright, frightful, harm, harmful, ful adding itc, Asian, ascetic, Adam, Adamatic, journal, journalist, adding ic, angel, angelic, comedy, comic. So that is the way you have to be find out, understand the adjective with the help of formations of adjective. There are some more. We have take some of the example by adding able, clarity, claritable, compare, comparable, adding ly, body, bodily, friend, friendly, knife, nightly, month, monthly, adding ary, complement, complementary, example, exemplary, by adding ory, introduction, introductory. By adding ent, benevolence, benevolent, difference, different, decency, decent, excellence, excellence. So that way you can add the formation of that words, suffixes to the main word. Let's start with adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of verb, adjective, and another adverb is also modify the phrase and even whole sentence. That is called adverb. So adverb you can be use such kind of, and there is an some quickly shows how, very shows how many, and how far. That particular words are used there for identify the adverbs. Rama runs some question. Rama runs quickly. Quickly shows how, what manner Rama runs. That answer quickly. We can get the answer. So there is another definition. A word modifies the meaning of verb, adjective, another adverb is called adverb. Kinds of simple adverbs. Adverb of time, adverb frequency number, adverb manner, adverb place, adverb degree, adverb reason, frequency, time. That all the particular kinds we discuss here. So first, adverbs of time. It is very easier to identify the adverb of time which shows the when, using the words such as before, now, ago, daily, soon, lately, nearly, already. These are the particular words are related with times. So which show the when. I have heard this before. We shall now begin to work. He comes here daily. When he comes here, answer is daily. That day he arrived late. The end soon came. So the related to the time the words are used here. तर टाईमच्या संबंधात जे वर्ड वापरले जातात त्यांना ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ टाईम म्हणून ॲडवर्ब ऑफ frequency number which show the how often. Using such word always, again, often, twice, frequently. So that's are the word are mainly for the adverb of frequency or numbers, and that which shows how often. तर how often याच्यानुसार आपल्याला ते क्वेश्चन्स विचार. I have told you twice. How often I told you? The answer is twice. He often make mistake. I have not seen him once. How often? I have not seen him once. That is the answer you can got. The postman call again. How often? How often the postman called again and again. So next, adverb of manner which shows how, using such word as hardly, sadly, and clearly. So which shows how and what manner. Govind read clearly. What manner Govind read clearly? Answer. This story is well written. The Sikh fought bravely. How the Sikh fought bravely. The boy worked hard. What manner the boy worked hard. So that's are the some particular the way you can ask the question to adverb of manner. Adverb of manner जेव्हा तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन किंवा तुम्हाला शोधायचं असेल तर त्यावेळेस तुम्ही हाऊ अँड व्हॉट मॅनरने शोधू शकतात. ॲडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रिक्वेन्सी हाऊ ऑफन, ॲडवर्ब ऑफ टाईम वेन. तर अशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला ते शोधता येतील. वेन, हाऊ ऑफन, हाऊ अँड वेअर. ॲडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. युजिंग द वर्ड सच as there, here, up, down, out, everywhere, within, away, in, etc. So, which shows where? Stand here. The little lamb followed Mary. Go there. He looked up. Where he looked, answer is up. My brother is out. Where is my brother? Out. Come in. Walk backward. So that's are the particularly you have to be find out the adverbs. So now adverb of degree and quality, which shows how much, using the words such as enough, fully, and very, which show how much and what degree, what extent. He was too careless. How much he was careless. 2. 3 mangoes are almost ripe. The how many mangoes are almost ripe means जर एखाद्या सेंटेन्सला तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारून तुम्हाला डिग्री ही मिळवता येऊ शकते अँड क्वांटिटी सुद्धा मिळवता येऊ शकते. द सी इज व्हेरी स्टॉर्मी. व्हॉट एक्सटेंट द सी इज व्हॉट एक्सटेंट द सी स्टॉर्मी व्हॅरी. तर अशा पद्धतीचे काही सेंटेन्सेस त्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन आणि ती ॲडवर्ब डिग्री मिळवता येऊ शकतं. मी एक्झाम्पल वाचून दाखवतो. यू आर ऑल टुगेदर मिस्टेक. थिंग्स आर नॉट बेटर ॲट प्रेझेंट. शी सिंग्स प्रिटी वेल. यू आर प्रिटी राईट. ही इज ॲज टॉल ॲज रामा. You will find out the adverb of degree in that sentences. Adverb of affirmations and positive aspect of an action, using the words such as surely, certainly, positively, and definitely. So, surely are you a mistake? He certainly went. I don't know him. Surely, certain, and known. That's are the particular example of adverb of affirmation. Adverb of negative shows a negative aspect, using as not. So I don't know him. So not is here as a negation. Adverb of reason. He is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left the school. So therefore and hence the adverb of particularly reason. So my dear students, you have the some particular question on the degree. So for sentence given, the pick out the adverb, tells what each modifies, tells what the word modify as the verb, adjective and adverb, classify as the kind of adverb is. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण जे शिकलोय त्याच्यावरती ही एक्सरसाइज तुम्हाला सॉल्व करायची. थँक्यू.